Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. We've been talking a lot about two-digit addition this week. We've talked about the strategies you should use and adding big numbers together. Today, we're going to work on two-digit addition in word problems. So I gave us this word problem yesterday. It says, Haley went to the store. She bought 33 blue crayons and 52 yellow crayons. How many crayons did Kaylee buy at the store? Now, as you can see, I've already set up our strategies, but I still want to reread this because there's another strategy we use when we're doing word problems, and that's to underline what we need to know and what we want to know. So let's read this again, and we're going to underline what we need to know and what we want to know. So it says, Kaylee went to the store. She bought 33 blue crayons. So she bought 33. That's a number. We should circle that. Blue crayons and 52 yellow crayons. I'm going to circle 52 because that's our other number. And then, of course, the question is what we want to know. So I need to underline the question. And it says, how many crayons did Kaylee buy at the store? So I have what I need to know. Kaylee bought 33 blue crayons and 52 yellow crayons. And then my question, what I want to know is how many did she buy at the store? How many crayons? So I want to know how much altogether she got, which means we're using addition. When we are doing a word problem, I like to set up the problem horizontally so I know what two numbers I'm adding together. And I like to write out a written response to the question because since they're asking me a word problem, I should write out a sentence as the answer. So the two numbers I'm adding are 33 and 52. So I know it's going to be 33 plus 52 equals, and I know since the question is how many crayons did Kaylee buy at the store, I'm going to answer by saying Kaylee bought crayons. So I've set up my equation. I've set up my written response. Now I'm going to set it up vertically. I know it's 33 plus 52. So my first number is 33. My second number is 52. And I already have it set up here. I have 3 10s and 3 1s for 33 and 5 10s and 2 1s for 52. So should I add my 10s first or my 1s first? Yeah, I should add my ones together first, always. So let's do that. I have 3 1s in 33 and 2 1s in 52. So I'm going to be adding 3 1s plus 2 1s, 3 plus 2. Let's count them up. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 1s. 3 plus 2 is 5. And I have 5 1s total. Now I need to go to my 10s. I have a lot of 10s here. I have 3 10s in 33 and 5 10s in 52. I have a lot of 10s, but I think we can count them all up. Are you ready? Okay. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s. I have 8 10s total. 3 10s and 5 10s makes 8 10s. 3 plus 5 is 8. I have 8 10s and 5 1s. What is 8 10s and 5 1s? What do you think that is? Yeah, it's 85. So 33 plus 52 equals 85. Kaylee bought 85 crayons. That's a whole lot of crayons, but you know what? Because we used our strategies, we were able to figure out that Kaylee bought that many crayons. And we were able to do our two-digit addition and a word problem. I am so proud of you girls. I will show you our challenge problem for tomorrow. As our review, it's another word problem. It says, Aaron and Leslie went to the aquarium. They saw 22 penguins and 26 fish. How many animals did Aaron and Leslie see at the aquarium? So our numbers are a little smaller this time, but I know since we've talked about how to do word problems, you girls are going to get this immediately. I know you're going to work hard on your assigned packet pages for today. Keep working hard on those. Keep going on Zern. And I hope you have a lovely day.